Good morning chaps, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be putting some insulation around. That's the stuff we got from B&Q. There's a picture of it. There's a picture of it there. But before we do that, we've got to work out where we're going to put the wiring round. So I know I've got to have a big 16mm cable coming round, but there's nowhere to get through there. So I'm going to have to hopefully use one of these. Drill through this and hopefully that's big enough. Eye protection, ear protection. We'll try through here. Right, that's not working. Make sure it's all nice and clean, and there's nobody better on the job than Brenda.
You're not wrong.
But it won't stick. So Brenda's just been measuring it and she's just trying it in there. So it's quite a big piece, stuffing up behind, filling all the gaps. So it's, you know, making sure you push it all in up above. So now you know it fits, so you're going to take it out, spray it all, and then stick it back in, yeah?
Yep.
Give it a good shake, Brenda.
Do the shake on back and put the freshness back. Doesn't about that way.
Right, so you're supposed to spray 6 to 8 inches away from it. That should do, yeah. So it says you can either do it contact on both sheets, or you can do it just on one. If you do it on one, you just have to wait up to a minute. If you do it on two, you have to wait up to 5 minutes. So I'm just going to try it with one. So give that a good spray all over where it's going to be.
I think that's it.
Right, leave it. Is it all over?
Yep.
One thing we have noticed is it absolutely stinks. Don't get out of shot, I'm following you around. Got your glasses on?
Well, I can't see.
Right, that's about a minute. So it's just 30 seconds to a minute, so let's have a go, see what happens. Stuff it in nice and hard. Does it feel like it's sticking?
I don't know yet.
I don't know.
You don't.
I don't know.
I didn't do that one.
You should have.
Yep.
Right into the corners. Ooh, whiffs.
You should.
We've opened the windows. Alright, count 30 seconds, somebody. Brenda said she didn't put as much on as what I did, so just see how it goes. Right, I'm going to have a little tug at this and see if it's stuck. Feels stuck. Certainly stuck to there. Yeah, I think that'll do. Crack on, eh?
And voila.
So the whole cutter thing was absolutely garbage. It just blunted the teeth straight away. So I just ended up doing lots of little tiny holes, pushed it through with a bigger drill bit, and now I'm trying to grind it off so it's smooth. So if you come in and have a little look, see what we're doing. I don't know whether you can get in. Yeah, that's getting there. As you get up underneath. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's good. Well, this bit is alright. I don't think...
We weren't expecting this lovely sunny day today, were we?
No. I think the other little bits might be hard.
Seagulls are having a good whinge. Right, am I alright to have a go?
Go on, I'll let you.
I need to learn. Ooh, proper thing.
You can do it all.
I don't want to do it all.
You do it better than me.
I've got other things to do. Oh, don't be
Don't
stingy
put
with
loads on.
it. Don't be stingy with it.
You know how much it is? Cost a fortune.
It's only £4.
Yeah, only. Left there dry.
Give it 30 seconds to a minute. Don't forget. Oh, then crack on, get it in.
Oh, it's stuck.
You're getting right down into all the nooks and crannies. Which is your best side for videoing?
None.
I've been getting down and dirty, making holes. There we go. To run the wire in through. Right, I'm going to do these back doors now. But what I want to make sure I don't do is inside there we've got these mechanisms. I don't want to spray any glue onto them. Don't want to clog anything up. Should make the whole thing a bit quieter as well, shouldn't it? Very sharp edges on these mines, so you can see I'm cut all over the place as normal. Don't forget to leave it a minute. Now we do have some wood panelling already cut out, which has been screwed directly into the when you come to do it. Ah! Now we've bought 5 rolls of that, and it's the long wheelbase, so it's not enough, is it? We're going to need some more. Off to B&Q it is. Well, there's the back door smashed. Good night. Brenda's getting her arms really down there. I'm not sure if we're supposed to be stuffing that far in. How far is it going down?
It's about there.
Well, probably if you want to keep warm.
It's the seating area, isn't it, where we'll be sitting?
Yeah, we don't want the wind blowing up your jacksie, do you?
No, we certainly don't.
So we're running out of the recycled, well, what is it? Recycled bottle stuff. And I remembered we still had some of this. So to put this out, and it fits in, and I'm sure that'll be lovely and snugly warm. But I'm just wondering, will it actually stay in position with the glue? Or do I have to get some of them pins? Because these will stop it from sticking on, but if I put the glue on here, along the edges, we'll give it a go, see what happens. Where's the glue? Nice and tacky. You like it tacky?
Did you do both sides or just one?
Just the one, I'm afraid. A bit of a nasty gash there. Right, we'll leave that a minute and see what happens. This is the last bit. We've been at it all day. So I'm just going to tape this up. It seems nice and stuff. A bit worried that might rattle a bit, but we'll see. We will see. So Brenda's making sure that it's all getting stuffed right in. So we are snugly warm. Poke it, Bren, poke it with a stick. Are we finished now? I'm tired.
Yeah, this is my last bit.
Alright, well say good night, Brenda.
Good night. Bon Jovi. What is it?
Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi. John Boy, it was supposed to be.
Right, that's it for today. We'll be back on it in the morning, I guess. Good night. Well, that was a week ago and we haven't got any further on with the insulating at all. We have put the solar panels in. That's in a different video. You've probably seen that video already. We just haven't had time. I've been too busy doing my real job, which is a photographer. And I'm mega busy for the next few days, what with the coronation coming up and all that, what goes with it. Well, we did get to B&Q and bought some more of the filling, but we just haven't had a chance to put it in. But this place, this is our pub. What we built in the garden is just full of all this stuff, which will be going in the van. It's a great little pub, which me and Brenda actually built during lockdown. But we haven't had a chance to get in because it's just full of all the stuff. And if you want to see me building this pub, which is behind us, pop over to the... Can you see it? Not Superman, the Silver Fox channel. I'll leave the link down in the notes down below, and maybe it's up above if you can see that. So pop over there, there's loads of other stuff on there as well. So I'm mainly keeping the van on the Foxy's travel channel. I think that's the best way forward. I'm just putting this video out. It's not quite finished, but hope you enjoyed it. And if you have, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. And we'll catch you next time when I'm sure we'll be getting on with more stuff. Bye bye now.